viewers, welcome back to Refresh Coding. My name is Madhulika, and in this video we will see how we can attach an internet gateway to a VPC. So first of all, what we will do, we will create a VPC. So for that you just need to log in to your AWS console and go to VPC section, and here we will click on this option, create VPC. And see, you have two options here. One is VPC only and the other one is VPC and more. So VPC and more means it will create subnets and all also for your VPC. So I will select this option, VPC and more, because I want the other things also. And after this, what you need to do, you just need to give a name to your VPC. So let's say here I will give a name, and let's say I will give the name as refresh coding. So let's say this is refresh coding VPC. And after that, here you need to give like whatever you want to give, no IPv6 CIDR or Amazon provide. So I will not select this because we are happy with IPv4. After that, here you need to select how many public and how many private subnets you want for your VPC. So if you can see here, choose the number of AZs, means availability zones in which to provision subnets. So I want 2 availability zones in which I will have 2 public subnets. Private subnets I don't want, so I will select 0. So if you can see here, now only 2 subnets are there which are public, US East, and they are in 2 different availability zones, which is 1A and 1B. After that, gateways, NAT gateway is optional. If you can give, if you are giving none, that is also fine. VPC endpoint also, S3 gateway, fine. After that, this is very important, you will have to enable DNS hostname and enable DNS resolution. This you will have to enable. And one more thing you have to take care, that it should be publicly accessible. Okay, so this setting is not here right now, so let it be as it is right now. We can modify it later. And additional tags, if you want to give any, you can give. After that, just click on create VPC. So it will take some time depending on your internet speed and all those things, and then your VPC is created. So if you can see here, success, and VPC is created. So it will create all these things for your VPC when you will select VPC and more, like DNS hostname, DNS resolution, S3 endpoint, route table, and everything. So now I will view my VPC. So my VPC is looking fine, it is available. After that, what I want to do, I want to create an internet gateway and I want to attach this to my VPC. This is very important, because if internet gateway is not there, you will not be able to communicate to the outside world, and you will not be able to work with RDS and all those things. So that's why we will create an internet gateway and we will attach. So right now, if you can see, there is already the one default internet gateway is created and it is attached to your VPC, which is refresh coding. Why it happened? Because in the VPC we have selected the option VPC and more, so automatic it will create an internet gateway and it will attach it to your VPC. In case if it is not there, if suppose you have created a VPC which does not have an internet gateway, then you can just simply create internet gateway and you can give it any name. Let's say this is my internet gateway, and after that just give a key value. It is optional anyway, and just create internet gateway. And if you can see, it is created now and the state is detached because it is not attached to any VPC. So now if you see here, it is written the following internet gateway was created and you can now attach to a VPC. So what we will do, we will try to attach it to a VPC. So I will attach. Here I will select a VPC. So you can say by default the default VPC is coming, which is there. That our VPC which we have created is not coming because that is already attached with an internet gateway by default which is created. So here no issues, we will just attach it to the default VPC. So attach, and if you can see, it is attached now. So now whenever even you will work with default VPC, it will have internet gateway and it will not give you any issues. Suppose if you don't want to work with this internet gateway, you want to delete it or detach it, just simply select it, go to actions, detach from VPC, detach internet gateway, and if you can see, it is detached. After that you can just go to internet gateways, and here if you can see, right now two internet gateways are there, one which is by default created and the other one which we have created. So you can simply select it and you can delete it, delete internet gateway. But make sure when you are deleting, it has to be detached first. If your internet gateway is attached to any VPC, you will not be able to delete it. So just delete it, and here type delete. See, because what will happen, if unnecessary internet gateways are there and you are not sure which internet gateway is attached to which VPC and you are working with which VPC, which internet gateway you are working, then it will be very confusing. So that's why it's always better that you create a fresh VPC, create a fresh internet gateway and work with it, detach the other ones and delete it, so that it will be neat and clean and it will be non-chargeable also. So that's it in this video. In the upcoming video we will see the further things in AWS. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you like the channel, and if you like the video, please like it. Thank you so much.